Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 apps you should get on your Xiaomi Pad 5. So let's get to the first one, and it will be the AMPA. It's basically app that shows you a bunch of details surrounding your battery, and you can see a lot of things that normally doesn't show without this app. For example, in this menu you can see the discharging status. So right now it's not connected to the power, so my battery is discharging. Its percentage level, temperature, produce, manufacturer, Android version, and etc. Everything here is available to your eyes. So that's a nice thing to have if you care about your battery. The next app will be Notify Buddy, and what it does, it creates a little LED notification on your screen when your phone is locked. So for example, you can choose app like Photos, and you will get notifications from Photos. You will see the LED lamp like this blinking on your screen when your tablet is locked. So now let's go to the third one, and it will be battery sound notification. And for this app you can add sound notifications for your battery charge, or when it's discharging. You can press this plus button and just customize the notifications. So for example, if your battery is full, you will get a ringtone like this. You can set the ringtone, and when the battery is full, you will get this sound. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.